Hey guys, this is Jack Frost / Junior / Ryan. Today we're going to be playing Minecraft, and I love this game. I built me a house and everything, got survival. See that right there? It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm just going to go to my house. That's a rock. When you think it's just like a normal rock, but it's not, but look. Just go down. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the bathroom. Here's the toilet. My cat left the toilet seat up. This is the bathtub, built-in bathtub. This is the sink. Dang it. This is my room. Got my own pool in here. Got me all this stuff. And I'm just going to take this diamond sword. And we're going to go hunting. I just need to do something real quick. Go to settings. I'm going to go on creative because I forgot to add some ladders. So, I don't want to add ladders. My brother's just playing football. He's trying to make his own YouTube channel, but he can't. He's so... I'm recording. Javier. I had to talk to my brother. He kept on copying what I'm saying. I don't like him once he do that. So, I'm going survival now. So much settings. Add some new stuff y'all want me to my house. Let me know. I'll go on creative. I'll craft all that stuff. I'll get the stuff that you want me to do. Want me to add a sensor? I'm thinking about adding statue of my fans. Probably my friends. But today we're gonna go see if we can hunt. Just gonna look around my house so I don't get lost. I was gonna add a beaker, but I don't want to. So I'm just gonna go hunting. Maybe I'll just spawn some stuff. Ooh, there's a dog. Do something settings. Gonna go in creative. There's a wolf. I'm just gonna grab a bone. Probably get 2 sets of it. I know I have to do a lot of going on creative. I haven't thought of this stuff yet. I just started right now. I'm gonna go tame my dog. Get back over here, dog. Okay, my dog's gonna help me here. We're just gonna be looking at stuff. Well, this is what I wanted to show y'all and everything. I just take a dog. I'll put that once I tame a dog or my first pet, something. But let me know what you want me to name my little precious dog. It's so beautiful. I think it's so cute. Put a comment down below. Subscribe to me. Follow me on Roblox, because that's the only thing I got. Follow me on it. And then leave a comment down below. What do you want me to name my dog? I'll name... It's up to you. A Pokemon name. Name him a Pokemon name. Name him Pikachu. Anything. What do you ever want to name him? Rock or us, since he's a dog. sun, moon. But from now on, well, yeah, from now on, he's gonna be in the videos. Maybe I'll spawn a dog, another dog, and breed those two so they can have a little baby and like have it. So once I breed them, like a Pokemon, they let me know and I'll show you and I'll probably get a new look. Want to see my look? This is my look. People, I'll probably change my look every single time so I'll look greater and greater. But let me know. Comment down below and see what you want me to name my dog. Bye.